How to delete your account for IQ option. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to close your IQ option account, then the first thing to do is to launch open IQ option application on the device and log in. Once you're logged into the home page, go to the upper right corner and click on the profile drop down and select settings from the menu. Under the settings menu, look for the deletion of account and personal data option and click on request right next to it. Select any one region while you are trying to leave the platform and click continue. Under are you sure you want to delete your account and all the personal data, select confirm and follow through the instructions. Remember, you will not be able to access your account, execute any transactions, trade or make use of any other IQ option services. If you have any balances or funds left in your account, make sure to withdraw that before deleting your account. After clicking on confirm and following through the prompts, you will be able to delete your IQ option account permanently. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.